I, Yogesh Varansi and Kavin K.S. of class 10 heartily welcome everyone present here. We have gathered. I, Yogesh Varansi and Kavin K.S. of class 10 heartily welcome everyone present here. We have gathered here for the inaugural ceremony of Digital Club.
We have administrators, our madam correspondent, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, staff, and my friends of Vidyalaya. Prayer should always be our first response to every situation. We have administrators, our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, staff, and my friends of Vidyalaya.
Yogesh Varansi and Kavin K.S. of class 10 heartily welcome everyone present here. We have gathered here for the inaugural ceremony of the Digital Club.
We have administrators, our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, staff, and my friends of Vidyalaya. Prayer should always be our first response to every situation.
Let us start this auspicious event with the invocation of Lord Ganesh. Prayer.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं श्री भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं श्री गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम् अजेन्द्र पूजित विघ्नेश्वरम् गणाति सन्नुत पद पद्मकरम् गणाति सन्नुत पद पद्मकरम् कुञ्चर पञ्चर चतुरतरकरं गुरुगुगात्मजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
I now welcome Yogeshwaran of class 10 to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. Today we have come together for the inaugural ceremony of our Digital Club 2021 to 2022. I am pleased to welcome our Madam Correspondent, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, staffs and fellow students of our Vidyalaya. The aim of our club is to extend students' learning beyond the wall of the classroom and to make them innovative digitally. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this digital club. Once again, it's my privilege to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of our digital club. Thank you all.
Thank you, Yogeshwaran.
Moving forward, I invite our Madam Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and Abhita Ma'am, Pavai Ma'am to lead the Kutuvalakir. Thank, thank you all. We have Miss Janani of Class 10 to deliver the inaugural speech of our digital club.
Good morning, all. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the inaugural function of our digital club. I'm superb excited to speak in front of you all about our digital club. And the digital club of our school is the place for the students to excel in the digital world. It makes our students to be more innovative in the digital world. This club allows the students get relaxed whenever they are tired, as many students love to work with computers. This club makes even kids to learn technologies in a more simpler and interactive way. This club also develops soft skills in students such as leadership, teamwork, and also responsibility. We also develop the technological skills of our students by conducting various activities like making PowerPoint presentations, conceptual videos, posters, editing, etc. so that the students can learn to excel in the digital world in an easy way. I would like to conclude my speech by extending my great gratitude to the management and teachers who gave me this opportunity to speak in front of you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, Janani, for giving us a wonderful start.
Let us witness a few informative videos by our students. We have videos on the importance of digital education during pandemic by Janani J of 10th A, Janani S from 10th C, and Sunjana Ansari from 10th C, Saindeep Mitra from 10th A.
Hi everyone, good day to all. I am Janani J of 10A. Today, this video mainly focuses on the importance of digital education during pandemic. Online learning has become more and more common, whether for comfort, adapting to work hours, or just having the freedom to study from anywhere. And now, with the COVID pandemic, as people are having to stay at home, it has become more important than ever. The measures put in place by governments and entities to allow students to do their daily tasks from home confirms that it is possible to carry out these activities from anywhere with just a computer or smartphone. Online learning has been growing in the last decade. The number of online courses, degrees, and masters have greatly increased. Technology has changed everything. Learning through videos, voice recognition, automatic corrections, and live exams are a few examples of the effectiveness of online learning. When we talk about online education, we are not talking about self study, although it is very useful. We must always bear in mind that the help of a teacher is the best way to learn. As the impact of COVID 19 spreads across the globe, it has left schools scrambling to quickly adapt to a new way of doing things online only. If the importance of virtual classrooms wasn't apparent before, it is now. Virtual learning can supplement existing classes, promote inclusive learning, and maintain educational continuity in face of long-term closures, which we have most recently seen. Thank you all.
Welcome all. I'm S. Janani from Tennessee. Today I'm here to explain a statement importance of digital education during pandemic. Well, since everyone is here, we should get started. While countries are at different points in their COVID 19 infection rates, it also resulted in school shut all across the world. As a result, education has changed dramatically with a distinctive rise of e learning, whereby teaching is undertaken by digital platforms. The most used apps, such as Google Classroom, Remind, ClassDojo, etc., plays a major role in building a strong connection and understanding between teachers and pupils. It not only featured in education market, it also taken the lead in shopping platforms. Billions of people affected by the COVID-19 pandemic or driving a historic and dramatic shift in consumer behavior, and online shopping looks set to stay. It also considered as the safest way in pandemic for buying things without any infection. Starting before 2 years till now is the huge guidance for all ancestors in working from home. Email and electronic diaries allow them to arrange meetings and transfer documents anytime, anywhere. Mobile phones and laptop computers with wireless internet access mean that employees are always accessible and can work wherever they are. I'm really grateful for my teacher for the learning experience. Thank you for your time and attention for me.
Hi, what are you doing? I bought a new laptop. What are the advantages of this laptop? Let me tell you. The browser inside a laptop is very informative and it gives new knowledge to us. It's also truly communicative and is very useful during nowadays online classes. It is of high technology and gives us superb performance. It is high performance laptop and has so much of storage and is good for gaming purpose too.
Welcome all, I am Sujana Ansari of class 10C. Today I am here to speak about digital education. In the wake of last year, the COVID-19 shutdown, whole world were under depression. Mainly education, shopping for daily basis, here comes our digital knowledge to solve these problems. It plays an important role in guiding and maintaining the talent level of every student. It used majorly for online shopping to buy groceries, wares, and other gadgets by sitting at home without any infections. It also taken part and saved the life of many head of families by workshopping at home. Nowadays, online classes have become very interactive than offline classes. Usually, internet is liberally sourceful and useful for our daily life. But after this pandemic, it became a part of life. And that brings us to the end. I'm really grateful to my teacher for this great opportunity and thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you for your fabulous information.
Next, let's watch the video on the uses of online classes.
Ma'am,
Thank you for your fabulous information.
Next, let's watch the video on the uses of online education by Balaji of class 6D.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am talk about the uses of online education during this pandemic situation. Online classes are one of the most important thing in this world nowadays. Online classes are very useful for educational purpose and students can study at home in online classes.
Yes, I can't
There
hear
are
you.
certain apps which are useful for online classes like Zoom, Google Meet, Video, etc. As we know that because of the lockdown, students can study safe at their home. Teachers can also teach in good quality of teaching in online classes. We can also do occasional activities by online classes. Online classes are started from LKG to colleges. We can also get educational from foreign countries through online study. Online classes are very helpful for students, teachers, and for the whole world. Thank you, friends. Good morning to everyone. Today I am talk about the
Thank you for the wonderful PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for the wonderful PowerPoint presentations. Let's watch some video made by our students on artificial intelligence.
Good evening, ma'am. Today I am going to talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a type of computer technology which is concerned with making machines work in an intelligent way, similar to the way that a human mind works. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute a task for the most simple to those that are even more complex. AI works by combining large amount of data with fast, interactive processing and intelligent algorithms, allowing to the software to learn automatically by recognizing patterns in the data. In the AI-enabled future, humans will be able to converse and interact with each other in the native language of choice, not having worry about miscommunicating intentions. In future, AI will be used for transportation, healthcare, science, digital marketing, robot assets, cybersecurity, defending, working women, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi everyone, good day to all. I'm Harini of Class 5D. So let's get started. Today, this video focuses on AI, its type and also its applications in our life. First, let us know what is AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the intelligence of machines. This is in contrast to the natural intelligence of humans and animals. With artificial intelligence, machines perform functions such as learning, planning, reasoning, and problem solving. It is probably the fastest growing development in the world of technology and innovation. Furthermore, many experts believe AI could solve major challenges and difficult situations. Let's now see the types of artificial intelligence. First of all, there are four types of AI. First, reactive machines. These machines can react to situations. A famous example can be Deep Blue, the IBM chess program. Second, limited memory. These AI systems are capable of using past experience to inform future ones. A good example can be self driving cars. Such cars have decisions making systems. The car makes action like changing lanes. Third, theory of mind. This refers to understand others. This means to understand that others have their beliefs, intentions, desires, and opinions. However, this type of AI doesn't exist yet. Fourth, self awareness. This is the highest and most advanced level of artificial intelligence. Such systems have a sense of self. Furthermore, they have awareness, consciousness, and emotions. Obviously, such type of technology doesn't yet exist. This technology would certainly be a revolution. Let's now know about the various applications of artificial intelligence in our life. First of all, AI has significant use in healthcare. Companies are trained to develop technologies for quick diagnosis. AI would efficiently operate on patients without human supervision. AI in business would save time and effort. There is an application of robot automation to human business tasks. AI certainly make education more efficient. AI technology can discover the needs of students. Then it can adapt according to their needs. AI tutors provide study help to students. Also, AI can automate grading, which results in saving a lot of time. Artificial intelligence has applications in various other fields. These fields can be military, law, video games, government, finance, automotive, audit, art, etc. To sum it up, artificial intelligence look all set to be the future of the world. Experts believe that AI would certainly become a part of human life soon. AI would completely change the way we view our world. With artificial intelligence, the future seems fascinating and exciting. Thank you all.
That was very informative. Thank you, Harini.
எடுத்துக்கடா
Next, let's witness some PowerPoint slides made by our students on the merits and demerits of online education by Mohammed Akil of 7th A, uses of online education by Jivanandan from 8th B and Dansari from 6th C.
Thanks for the wonderful PPTs. Thanks for the wonderful PPTs.
Let's witness a video of digital posters made by our digital club students of class 8 and 9. Digital amazing artwork.
Next, let's watch the videos on the do's and don'ts during online class by Akshaya of class 8 and Sri Vashini of class 9B.
A big round of applause to all. I call upon Master Hariharan to propose the vote of thanks.
I thank all the dignitaries on the dais for spending their valuable time with us. I thank everyone in the session for active participation, cooperation, support, and your active watching. Thank you, everyone.